Welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy. Today we are going to be talking about a development in Montego Bay, Negril, two interesting new developments across the world. We meet here every Sunday and talk about developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. According to the owner of Harbour City Shopping Center, it should be finished by July of this year. The new shopping center will have a rooftop pool, restaurants, a supermarket, pharmacy, inbound shops, sports bar, and suites. We can only hope that the offerings will not be the same as the many gift shops in Montego Bay. We definitely need more variety in what is sold in these stores. Harbour City Shopping Center is owned by Chinese businessman Shifu Huang. I hope I pronounced that right. Negril and Lucea are set to undergo major developments that will enhance their appeal as tourist destinations, according to Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett. The government plans to present a comprehensive development plan for Negril, including an international airport, public beach, craft village, and an urban center developed by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica. Upgrades to the public water and sewage systems are also planned, as well as bypass road arrangements from Hopewell and Lucea to ease traffic congestion. More details will be revealed in Bartlett's sectorial presentation in Parliament on April 18. On to world news you should probably be keeping your eyes on. In the last couple of years, there has been increased talk about 15-minute cities.
The idea of 15-minute cities has spread to Paris, Melbourne and South Korea, attracted by the promise of lower car use and a better quality of life. But it's also become the focus of conspiracies that travel outside these neighbourhoods would be restricted, a sort of climate lockdown.
But what is a 15-minute city, and where did the idea come from? A 15-minute city is not a novel idea. In fact, many years ago, it was popular in Europe and the US before the proliferation of the interstate system. The idea of 15-minute cities envisions cities where people can fulfill their daily needs through a short 15-minute walk or bike ride from their homes. It is believed that this type of city will create sustainable and livable urban environments by curtailing long commutes and boosting local economic activity. In a 15-minute city, residents can access diverse facilities such as grocery stores, schools, healthcare facilities, and parks, all located within a close proximity to their homes. This fosters a tighter-knit and socially integrated community, as residents are more likely to socialize with their neighbors and participate in local events. In recent times, the concept of 15-minute cities is gaining traction as an effective means to promote sustainable urban development and counteract climate change. By reducing the need for long commutes and advocating for more pedestrian and bike transportation, cities can cut down on their carbon footprint and encourage healthier lifestyles. To realize the vision of 15-minute cities, urban planners and policymakers plan to concentrate on developing mixed-use neighborhoods with a diverse array of amenities and robust public transport infrastructure. They will also prioritize walkways, bike lanes, and safe crossings to foster pedestrian and bike-friendly environments. But not everyone is excited about 15-minute cities. Many believe that it is another way for the government and the elites to gain control over the masses. The belief is that it will make it easier for the government to control the movements of its citizens, especially in a pandemic, or under the guise of slowing down climate change. The concept gained even more traction in 2020. For example, in 2020, Paris Mayor Anne Hidalgo used it as one of her leading points in her campaign for re-election, positing that pedestrian and cycle-centered cities were the future. And apparently many agreed with her because she was re-elected. In this ABC article, NSW Minister Rob Stokes was quoted as saying, "The pandemic has seen demand for walking and cycling infrastructure soar, and outdoor space is valued more than ever. So yes, there seems to be a link." So what do you think? Should 15-minute cities be adopted by every society? Or do you believe that rather than adopting this top-down approach, where every community follows the same concept, a bottom-up approach needs to be implemented, where citizens decide how their communities are redesigned? Or do you think this is all a plan for increased control, especially when you factor in the emergence of central bank digital currencies, digital IDs, brain monitoring technology, and smart cities? Let me know what you think in the comments. On to our next topic. Is an AI takeover imminent? Billionaire Elon Musk and other leaders in tech are urging artificial intelligence labs to halt their training of AI for 6 months. The open letter, signed by many tech leaders and researchers, warned that AI poses profound risks to society and humanity. In the letter, they suggested that developers use the pause as a chance to work together to create a set of rules for the safe development of the technology. Over the past few months, competitors have been trying to surpass each other and introduce the most powerful AI. As a result, the technology is learning and improving at such a fast pace that soon even the developers may be unable to control it. As the letter states, recent months have seen AI labs locked in an out-of-control race to develop and deploy ever more powerful digital minds that no one, not even their creators, can understand, predict, or reliably control. The demand for a halt in artificial intelligence research, backed by Elon Musk and a multitude of others through a co-signed letter, has sparked controversy. The letter's references to specific researchers were met with backlash as they denounced the letter's usage of their work. Moreover, the discovery of fake signatories and retracting support from some have added fuel to the fire. Elon Musk has been warning about the rise of AI for some time now, saying that it is like summoning a demon.
Instead, Musk warns about artificial intelligence, which he has called more dangerous than nuclear weapons. Musk spoke at a symposium at MIT.
I mean, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You know all those stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water, and he's like, yeah, you sure you can control the demon? Didn't work out.
The thing is, Elon is listed as an initial investor in OpenAI and was once a part of the board of directors. According to Wikipedia, the organization was founded in San Francisco in 2015 by Sam Altman, Reid Hoffman, Jessica Livingston, Elon Musk, and others. ChatGPT and GPT-4 are both products of OpenAI. Some believe that Elon Musk is trying to halt the progress of AI in order to give him an opportunity to catch up. But it is also possible that this is because he's working close to AI development and is therefore aware of the risks. Remember, Elon is also responsible for the introduction of a brain chip developed by Neuralink, a company he co-founded. Since 2020, it seems as if companies have been hurrying to release their new technology, from advanced AI to brain chips to brain monitoring earbuds, smart cities, CBDCs, 15-minute cities, and the list goes on. There are a lot of changes ahead. Now, whether these changes are good or bad is still up for discussion. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out these other videos for more information on this topic.